Hi, I am Balpesh Dolaria and I want to share my personal experience how I discovered local guide program and how I that impact on my life that I want to share with you. First of all, I will search for local guide program in some of year back. I some image on Google that at that time I thought who put this image on Google. After that, I search out for some program on Google. Then after I read some blogs of Google local guide program and I search out for benefits, perks, achievements of local guides program. Then after some days I joined this program and I received some perks and badges from local Google guides, and then I inspire and then I affect and that I motivate to share some knowledge with my friends and two or three friends also join this local guide program and I also inspire and I also share some experience with you.